Hello everyone, to use the picture-in-picture function, you can get it from here, PIP. Then select the effect you want, and then click Take. So the BGM will now be using picture-in-picture effect you selected. You can double-click on the effect to do the configuration, such as changing the position, X, and then Y, and also the size. So let's take another effect. For example, take this one, then click on Take. As you can see here, it changed the effect. Like I said just now, double click to do the configuration. Inside here you can select the channel you want to represent the picture A, B or C. So click OK when you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.